Hey guys, so I just left the library. I'm not going there again because it's hectic and I don't want to be around craziness. Homegirl, it was a girl who, it's not funny because she's like probably really stressed because it's, about to be finals and everything's getting turned in last minute. Okay, we get it. But she was just like just screaming in the library. And granted, it was like a lot of people already talking loud, just trying to get like a lot of group projects in. But honey, let's just give me a hug and that's what we could talk about. Before I got up, I was gonna get up originally and give her a hug, but someone they escorted her out, so I was just kind of like, maybe that was a sign of me not to go hug her because maybe she would have killed me. Maybe she would have bit my arm off. We don't know. On the way back to the room and to try to get something to eat. Granted, I don't have anything to eat because I was going to get some cereal this morning and our milk is spoiled. So isn't that great, you guys? It's so great. It feels so good. It's not fully hot yet, but it feels great. The wind is blowing. I straightened out my extensions and now I'm wearing my hair out. Usually you can see me catch me around campus with a bun in my head because I'm just super lazy, but today I just decided to, let the girls come out today. So that's just me. On top of that, I have 3 homework assignments due with tomorrow. Oh my god, tomorrow's the 26th. So yeah, from this, I just panicked right there, you guys. If you guys didn't know, I just panicked. But yeah, so I'll see you guys later. Bye. Hello, you guys. So I'm in my room, and a little update. I found a camera repair company that's able to repair my camera, but I just need their estimate, and they can't give me an estimate until they actually see my camera. So I have to do that on Friday. Because Saturday I work from 4 to 12, which is so long. It's so long. And then I'll just be able to pick it up probably like by Tuesday next week, maybe. I don't know. But right now I am doing my homework. Right now I'm just doing my homework. Have a test on Monday on the stuff I'm studying for. So I'm doing it chapters by chapters in the homework and whatever, so I can be able to like go over it and review it and just keep myself, saying, hope I pass it with like at least a B. Let's get a B. I never got an A on a math test before, so let's get an A, okay? Let's just shoot for it. A little dilemma. I'm stressing out a little bit. So over the summer, I'm taking a science class, and I need a science class because I've been dodging science since I don't know how long, but it's finally caught up to me. But basically, I registered for the right science class I want to take, but it was at another location, so I need the location to be at somewhere where I live, hence Marietta. So I ended up putting Cartersville, and I don't want to go all the way to Cartersville for one class. And that's just dead. So right now, like, I went to the advisors to talk to her, but she wasn't even there to even talk to her. So it's gonna be, we're communicating over email right now, but it's just too much. I like to I'm not sure, I like to do homework probably like a couple of days before the test. But being that it's only 5 days away to the test and the homework is actually due online tomorrow, I really can't win right now. So I'm just trying to do all the homework as much as I can today, because at 11:30 tomorrow night it's due. If it's late, it's going to be taking 7 points each off of each problem. So I'm like, I can't afford to do that right now. Yeah, that's just me right now. Yeah. So I'll talk to you guys later. Bye. Hey you guys, so today is a beautiful Wednesday, and I'm about to go check out my summer apartment. I have this bright shirt on, like everybody can see me right now. But anyways, I'm gonna try and look at my apartment to see what specifically I have to get at Walmart today. If you guys didn't know, my apartment complex is basically getting renovated, and they need us to move from one apartment to the next, which is kind of stressful because it's like gotta pack and whatever and buy cleaning stuff. So let me go ahead and go upstairs. So this is our apartment. We have the laundry room when you first walk in. This is like the dining kitchen-ish area. Got like really spacious counter space because at our apartment we don't have that many cabinet spaces. So that's one thing I am excited for. It's a 4x4, so it's 4 bedrooms, and each of us have our own bathroom, which is great. And this is our living room. They said they're gonna have to give us new carpet because of burn marks. I'm not sure how in the world that happened. This is what I'm really excited for, honestly. I am so happy and I am so excited that we have a freaking balcony. I am a outside person. Let me close the door because his wall splat here. But I am an outdoor person, so I like to sit on I want to sit right here, do my homework, Actually, my friend lives right there. I told my friends they live right there. So that's what's up. So I got my key, and this is my room. This is my roommate's room. So I'm happy that we got to roommate with each other. Oh, what the hell? Oh, let's see, I don't know how to open doors. This is my room. This is my room. I actually pretty much like this room, but except for they don't have a big mirror like I have in my room. But this is my room right here. Oh, I'm sorry, guys. I got the closet. Got a really nice view of the sun. So I have not view of the sun. I have natural lighting, which is perfect because why is it zoomed in? But which is perfect because I can do my makeup. I can plan more videos right here. So that's exciting. Closet space. I'm not unpacking nothing. Well, majority of my clothes, yeah, but I'm not unpacking or decorating my room because I'm only here for like a month or two. But I might just, I don't know. I don't know what I'm gonna do. This is my bathroom. This is my bathroom. And I'm really excited because I have my own bathroom. This is gonna be great, actually. But I have like my shower, my toilet, me. So this is perfect, actually. I always want my own bathroom. I mean, my roommate and I were cool, clean, but sometimes I just would like to have my own.
Should we just grab?
We both grab. So just grab anything that you see on here. We probably want to get. Yeah. Okay, that makes sense. All right, we'll do that.
This is actually good.
Yeah, I like the smell of that.
The thought of having to clean.
Good morning, you guys. So it's like 11:30 and basically I'm home. Just got the shower. Now I'm done packing. Actually, I took some stuff yesterday. So my boyfriend and I, he put some stuff in my apartment and I was gonna go and he left. I was like, wait, I have a few more things I could just like go ahead and just take away. So my roommate and I, she helped me take some stuff last minute to my apartment. So now I only have a few things, just this tote and these couple bags of clothes. Like I said, I did the whole like hanger trick where I put like the trash bag over the hanger of the clothes in the hanger. then I just like do like that. So it'll be easy to transport and easy for me to unpack. When I put them in the closet, I can just take the bag off and boom, that's it. So I have that. I'm taking this thing down and everything else. So now all I have to do is just take my poster, my tapestry, my wall art, and my TV, and I'll be done. And this box right here as well. So I have to take that box as well. But I'll be done. So this is just pretty much, I'm pretty much done. I don't move in officially until, actually I could just move in officially now, they said. But I'm just taking like one step at a time. I'm not trying to, overdo things, but I am most definitely almost done with everything. I just have to pack up my my few things in this dresser, but I'm not packing that up until probably tomorrow, honestly. And then what else I'm doing? I gotta pack up my makeup. I gotta pack up. Really, I keep saying I'm almost done, like, or I'm just almost done, but I keep on having a list of things that I'm looking around my room like, okay, I need to put that up. So I'm just gonna stop talking and just get finished doing this, and I'll be done, and I can start finishing studying my last little bit of class things, because I have 2 more tests and then I'm done. So that's exciting. I'm done with finals, everybody. I am so happy. To everybody who graduated, congratulations, graduates. You did it. You made it a long way. And congratulations to everyone who made it through this semester, because, Lord Jesus. It wasn't a bad semester. It was just like, I wish I could have, it was so long, it felt like. But I'm just so happy that it's over with. It's done for. I'm gonna go home, take a shower, and go to sleep. It's supposed to be hanging out tonight with a couple of friends, but I don't think I'm gonna be partaking in that because I'm just not really a party person, and I don't want to just sit around like a bump on a log. But yeah, so I'm just done with classes. That's all. Crusty, I'm so sorry. Today I was just not feeling like doing anything, but I am done moving in. All we have to do is just wait for my covers and sheets and everything to get out the dryer and everything else, but I am done. I have my clothes back there set up. I have my closet set up. I have my makeup table. Right now I'm currently washing my brushes in the sink, but I am done. I am so happy that I finally moved in. I actually thought I moved in yet, actually. I haven't checked out. I also need to bring the food I have in the cabinets over to the new place, because I have food over at the old place that's in the cabinets, and I have to get also my Wi-Fi box because my old roommate, she's not moving in with us, she's actually going home. But oh yeah, I'm washing the bath things I have. I bought new shower curtains, so I'm going to take that out of the pack and put it up. But I'm done setting up my bathroom, got all my hair products and my stuff underneath the sink, and I put like my painting in the bathroom just to throw a little bit of something in here. But I'm done. Like, this is just, it's great. It's great to have my own bathroom, even though my roommate and I were cool, but it's great to have your own bathroom and kind of do your own thing. So, yeah, I have my M that my best friend gave me for my birthday 2 years ago. I'm not really gonna watch TV, so I don't really know why I brought that here. But I'm done moving in, so hope you guys enjoyed this video. Give me a thumbs up. I know this probably was like a video because I'm kind of everywhere, because it was just really last minute how we have to move, and everything was really rushed. We had a little bit of hiccup of me moving in, because we had at first we weren't even going to be in this room exactly. It was going to be another room, but the roommate was disgusting, and I was just I'm just very, very thankful that they put us into a new location. But I am so, so excited. Oh, hold on for a second. My mom watches this video. Can you let Josiah know I'm hanging up his picture? I'm putting it on the refrigerator. I'm gonna put it on the refrigerator like right now, actually. Mom showed Josiah that I put his picture he drew me. I love Gumball. It's my favorite cartoon ever. But let him know that I put this on his refrigerator because I love Gumball and I love Josiah. So let him know everything. Hey you guys, so I'm in my apartment. I'm all moved in. I'm starting to do a face mask because today's been chill day, so I'm just putting on a face mask. But I'm all moved in, so make sure you guys keep how my room looks with everything in here. This is like my desk where I'll be doing my makeup and hair, a little bit of videos, making my camera fix. I just talked to customer service today. All thing I have to do is just go to a repair center and they'll help me out. I'm doing my videos here, doing my homework here. It has perfect lighting. I have my calendar there. I have my clothing rack, my jeans and jackets and cardigans and whatever. And here's my bed. It's not made because I just got out of it because I was just looking at YouTube videos. But I have my poster, my tapestry there, my little side table with like my notebook and my pen and paper so I can have ideas, whatever. A TV that I do not watch. My little mason jar for my drinks in the morning because I just fill this thing up with water for now on because every time I wake up in the morning, I'm like thirsty. My dirty clothes hamper. And then this is my bathroom. Just have a painting. I have my old room and I just set up my facial stuff and my hair stuff right here, the face mask right there. And